This game is one of my very, very favorite games that we play in comedy improv class. And it's called Object Transform. It's great because even if you're in an empty room, there's always some little thing lying around, like an eraser or a stapler or anything at all. And you're going to get in a circle, and one person takes the object. Right now I happen to have a pencil. See my pencil? And you look at the object and you're going to think, what could this be? Now, the only thing it cannot be in this game is a pencil. That's the only rule. So in your circle, the first person takes it and they say, I'm going to make this make it very, very clear to everyone in the circle exactly what you're doing. Then you pass it on. They take it. They must transform it. That's why it's called Object Transform. Now this becomes something else. They think, a controller. Make it very clear what it is. Then that person takes it and passes it to somebody else. That person might say, oh, I got one. Remember, it doesn't matter if the objects look like a pencil or not. You could pretend this was a boat. It doesn't matter. It just has to be different for every person. So if you're in the circle and you see someone coming and they do the one that you were going to do, you have to find a new one. So only rules, it can't be a pencil. And the other rule, you have to do something that no one else has done. And you can go around and around in the circle many times with the same pencil, or switch up and grab a sweater or a stapler, pass that around. Remember, if you're laughing, you're winning.